Here in Miami Beach, which is under a mandatory evacuation order, doing water sports behind me. There are onlookers taking photos. There are also about a dozen people in front of me. It's a similar scene over on the other side. This is not, again, what the mayor of Miami Beach, who called this a nuclear hurricane, wants to be seeing right now. Storm surge, as you mentioned, is the name of the game. These waves are picking up pretty fast right now, and again, this is a storm that is the size of the entire Florida peninsula. Even if it's going to hit slightly west, you're going to get those damaging winds, that storm surge, and that flooding. And this is when people start doing these kinds of things like you see behind me, and potentially making those